Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use voice commands on your Android phone. First, unlock your phone and open the Google app. You can usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or your account icon. Tap on it. A small menu will pop up. From there, tap on Settings. Now you'll be taken to a new page with different options. Look for the section called Google Assistant. Tap on it. After that, scroll down until you see Voice Match. Tap on that option. On the next screen, you'll see a switch next to Hey Google. Turn that switch on. If it's your first time using it, Google might ask you to train the assistant to recognize your voice. Follow the steps on the screen. Now let's test if the voice command is working. Say, Hey Google, set a timer for 1 minute. If everything is set up correctly, your phone should set a timer for 1 minute right away. That's how you can set up and use voice commands directly through the Google app. Thanks for watching.